Welcome to GRC question answer session. In this session, we will discuss one question, that is user ID is given, how to get business role assigned to user. So there are two methods. You can see the flow diagram. User ID is given, go to GRSE user role table, and from there you will be getting business role ID. Take that business role ID and go to GRSE role table. In GRSE role table, in role ID field, put business role ID, then you will be getting business role name. This is the first method. Second is, take the business role ID and put in role ID 1 for GRSE role relation table. Left hand side you can see role ID 1 means business role ID, and then you will get role ID 2, copy role ID 2 from GRSE role relation table and go to the GRSE role once again. As you can see in flow diagram, and then you will be getting business role name. So once again I want to repeat it. User ID is given, go to the GRSE user role table and further go to the GRSE role table and you will be getting business role. Other way is, go to the GRSE user role, get business role ID, then go to the GRSE role relation table, get role ID 2 from here, copy role ID 2 and once again go to the GRSE role table and finally get business role name. So hope this will make you understand, if user ID is given, then how to get business role assigned to the user. Thank you.